Hi team, let's make a cowl neck pattern. So what I'll be doing is that I'll be taking down the length of the top. I want to draft a top pattern. So first of all, I'll be taking the length of the top, and this is my top. I'll be marking out 26 inches in length, and here is going to be my center front as well as my center back. So what I'll do next now is I'll go ahead and place my measuring tape like that to get my shoulder measurement divided by 2, and I'll also mark out 3 inches allowance neck width there. So here I'll come down by 1 inch and I'll go ahead and connect the shoulder slope. So what I'll be doing next now is that I'll get the armhole measurement divided by 2, mine is 8.5 inches, and I'll go ahead and mark out that shoulder measurement divided by 2 again. I'll go ahead and connect these lines straight. So here I'll be placing the bust measurement divided by 4, because that point there is the bust line measurement. So what I'll do next is that I'll go ahead and get the underbust measurement, the line for the underbust measurement, and of course the half length measurement, which is the waistline. Down there is going to be my upper hip measurement. So what I'll be doing here is that I'll be placing the circumference, that is my underbust measurement divided by 4. I'll go ahead and mark it like that, and here I'll be placing the waist measurement divided by 4, and of course down there I'll be placing my upper hip measurement divided by 4, or your normal hip, it depends. I'll just go ahead and connect the lines. So I'll just extend this like this. This is my bust line. So I'll get what I have there, I'll get the midpoint of what I have there, and here I'll be coming in by 0.5 inches, just like that. So I'm going to create my armhole curve, and I'll be creating the curve for the back first. I'll mark out 1 inch like that, and I'll go ahead and create the curve. This is for the back armhole. And for the front armhole, I'll just go ahead and from this point connect it down to that line as well, and from this point I'll connect it to the up. So here I'll be coming down by 1 inch for the back and 3.5 inches for the front. If you want your cowl neck to be much deeper, this is where you place the neck depth of your choice. If you want the cowl to be at the back and you want it to be deeper, you can make the back neck depth of 10 inches. If you want it to be more deeper in the front, you can make your make your neck depth for the front to be 7 or 8 inches. So I'll go ahead and cut it out. After cutting it out, I've already cut out my fabric for the back, and I'll go ahead and trim off the front neckline and the back neckline and the front armhole as well. So after that, I'll go ahead and measure 7 inches down there. I'll mark it, and I'll mark here, and I'll also measure my shoulder line into divided by 2, and I'll mark it like that. So down here I'll be coming down by 2 inches. So I'll connect this line from this one to this one, this one to this one, and this one to this one. So I'll go ahead and clip through I'll go ahead and slash this, but I won't be cutting it all the way, because you are going to be making slash and spread. So I get another fabric and I make sure that my center fronts are aligned like that. So what I'll be doing now is that I'll be slashing this my cut out. I don't know how to explain it, but watch carefully. I'll just go ahead and splash them or spread them like that. I wanted to spread it by 2 inches, but I ended up spreading it with 2.5 inches. So I'll place it down like that, and of course I'll go ahead and get the other one and I'll separate it by 2.5 inches as well. So what I'll be doing next now is that I'll go ahead and get my neck. That is the point where the actual neck width start from, and I'll go ahead and make a straight line. Just mark a straight line to the second center front, just like you see me doing, just like that. And I'll go ahead and trace out the remaining pattern: the armhole, the shoulder seam, the armhole, the body, and of course the hem. So this is my new pattern here. I'll go ahead and cut this out, and I'll use it to cut out my fabric. So if I want to cut out my fabric, I've already folded it into two because you know it's going to be on fold. I have about 4 inches allowance up here. So what I'm going to be doing is that I'll go ahead and fold this into two. I'll fold it in. The reason for me doing this is that I don't want to start cutting out separate facing for this. So I just want to cut out, put the main fabric and the facing at the same time. So after folding it in like this, I'll go ahead and cut it out. I'll be adding 1 inch for the hem and 1.5 inches for the sides, and of course 1/2 inch for the shoulder. So after cutting it out, I have this. I'll go ahead and notch here because I want to know the center, but once I spread it, I actually found out that I don't even need to notch it because it is obvious for me to be seeing, just like that. So when I fold this inside like this, I have my facing and my main fabric cut out together at once. So here is my shoulder seams. So when I hold down my shoulder seams with the back of my cloth, I have this cowl at this front, and that's just it for this tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and also hit the bell icon to get notified of our latest videos. Share this video and also comment if there is any question you would like me to answer. Until my next one, happy sewing.